From clogged to clean, top secret colon detoxifiers revealed. Welcome to an exciting new video where we not only explore delicious foods but also uncover how they can contribute to a healthier body. Today, we're diving into the world of nutrition with a special focus using food as a natural remedy to cleanse the colon. Did you know that the average adult can accumulate up to 9 kilograms 20 pounds of waste in their colon? This buildup can lead to discomfort, slow metabolism, weaken the immune system, and affect overall health. However, by simply choosing the right foods, you can help your body eliminate toxins and improve digestion. The good news, colon-cleansing foods are not hard to find. They might already be in your kitchen. Let's explore these 10 powerful foods and discover how they can help your colon stay healthy and clean. 1. Chia seeds, a natural colon cleanser. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, helping to promote digestion and regular bowel movements. When soaked, they expand into a gel-like texture that softens waste and supports colon cleansing. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, they also reduce inflammation and support gut health. As a natural prebiotic, chia seeds nourish beneficial gut bacteria, improving digestion. Simply add them to smoothies, yogurt, or water and drink plenty of fluids for the best results. Regular consumption can help prevent constipation and support a clean, healthy digestive system, making chia seeds a simple yet powerful superfood for gut health. 2. Psyllium husk, a natural fiber for digestive health. Psyllium husk is a soluble fiber that absorbs water, forming a gel-like substance that softens stool and promotes regular bowel movements. It acts as a gentle, natural laxative, helping to relieve constipation and support colon cleansing. In addition to improving digestion, psyllium husk aids in regulating blood sugar and cholesterol levels by slowing down sugar absorption and binding to fats. It also serves as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria for better gut health. Easily mix it into water, juice, or smoothies and drink plenty of fluids for optimal effects. Regular consumption can enhance digestion, detoxify the colon, and support overall well-being. 3. Apples, a nutritious and refreshing fruit. Apples are a delicious and nutrient-rich fruit packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. They support digestion, boost immunity, and promote heart health. The high fiber content aids in regulating blood sugar, improving gut health, and keeping you full longer, making apples a great choice for weight management. Rich in vitamin C and polyphenols, apples help fight inflammation and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Their natural sweetness makes them a versatile snack. Enjoy them fresh, in salads, smoothies, or baked dishes. With a variety of flavors and textures, apples are both tasty and beneficial, contributing to overall well-being when included in a balanced diet. 4. Pears, a delicious and nutritious fruit. Pears are a juicy and fiber-rich fruit packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Their high fiber content supports digestion, promotes gut health, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Pears are also a good source of vitamin C, which boosts immunity and protects against oxidative stress. With a high water content, pears keep you hydrated and contribute to healthy skin. Their natural sweetness makes them a versatile ingredient. Enjoy them fresh, in salads, smoothies, or baked desserts. Available in various flavors and textures, pears are a tasty and nutritious addition to a balanced diet, supporting overall health and well-being. 5. Raspberries, a nutrient-packed superfruit. Raspberries are a delicious, low-calorie fruit rich in fiber, vitamins, and powerful antioxidants. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, which supports immunity, skin health, and collagen production. Their high fiber content promotes digestion, gut health, and balanced blood sugar levels. Packed with antioxidants like quercetin and ellagic acid, raspberries help fight inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. They also contain manganese, which supports bone health and metabolism. With their naturally sweet and tangy flavor, raspberries are perfect for smoothies, yogurt, salads, or as a healthy snack. Including them in your diet can enhance overall health while adding a refreshing burst of flavor to your meals. 6. Avocados, a nutrient-dense superfood. Avocados are a creamy, nutrient-rich fruit packed with healthy monounsaturated fats that support heart health and reduce bad cholesterol. They are an excellent source of fiber, aiding digestion and promoting gut health. Loaded with vitamins C, E, K, and B6, avocados boost immunity, skin health, and brain function. They also contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and prevent muscle cramps. Powerful antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin support eye health and reduce oxidative stress. With their rich texture and mild flavor, avocados are perfect for salads, smoothies, toast, or eaten on their own. Adding them to your diet enhances overall wellness while providing a satisfying, nutrient-dense food choice. 7. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutrient-rich cruciferous vegetable that offers various health benefits. Packed with fiber, it supports digestion and promotes regular bowel movements, helping to maintain a healthy digestive system. Loaded with vitamins C, K, and folate, broccoli also provides a powerful dose of antioxidants that help fight inflammation and support the immune system. Additionally, it contains sulforaphane, a compound that has potential cancer-fighting properties. Broccoli can be enjoyed in many ways: steamed, roasted, blended into soups, or even added to salads. It's an easy and tasty way to boost your diet and support overall well-being. 8. Brussels. Brussels sprouts are small but mighty cruciferous vegetables that pack a punch when it comes to nutrition. Rich in fiber, they help improve digestion and maintain healthy bowel movements, promoting gut health. These tiny vegetables are high in antioxidants like vitamin C and camphorol, which reduce inflammation and may help protect against chronic diseases. Brussels sprouts also contain sulforaphane, known for its potential cancer-fighting properties. They can be roasted, sautéed, or added to soups and salads, making them a versatile and delicious addition to any meal. Incorporating Brussels sprouts into your diet is a great way to support overall health and well-being. 9. Lentils. Lentils are a nutrient-dense legume packed with protein, fiber, and essential minerals like iron and magnesium. These small, versatile pulses are excellent for supporting digestion, stabilizing blood sugar levels, and promoting heart health. High in plant-based protein, lentils make an ideal choice for vegetarians and vegans, offering a sustainable source of energy. Their fiber content aids in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and improving gut function. Lentils are easy to incorporate into your diet, whether in soups, stews, salads, or as a meat substitute. Adding lentils to your meals not only boosts nutrition but also supports a balanced and healthy lifestyle. 10. Chickpeas. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are a rich source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients like folate, iron, and manganese. These legumes help support heart health, stabilize blood sugar, and promote healthy digestion. Packed with fiber, chickpeas aid in maintaining a healthy gut and prevent constipation. They also help regulate cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, their high protein content makes them a perfect choice for vegetarians and vegans. Chickpeas are incredibly versatile, whether roasted as a snack, blended into hummus, or added to soups, salads, and curries. Incorporating chickpeas into your meals can enhance both flavor and nutrition. Incorporating superfoods such as chia seeds, psyllium husk, apples, pears, raspberries, avocados, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, lentils, and chickpeas into your diet can greatly enhance your overall health. These nutrient-dense foods are packed with fiber, antioxidants, and essential vitamins, offering numerous benefits like improved digestion, strengthened immunity, and reduced inflammation. By including these powerhouse foods in your daily meals, you can support long-term health, boost energy levels, and promote a balanced lifestyle. Embrace their natural goodness for a healthier, more vibrant you. For optimal digestion and overall well-being, it's crucial to prioritize your colon health. By adding these nutrient-packed foods to your diet, you're not just nourishing your colon, but also supporting your body's overall vitality. These foods provide a wealth of other health benefits, proving that healthy eating can be both nutritious and enjoyable. So, why not start today? Sprinkle chia seeds on your smoothie, toss some lentils into your salad, or enjoy a side of roasted Brussels sprouts. Your body will thank you for the nourishing boost and the positive impact on your long-term health. Thank you so much for taking the time to explore these nutrient-packed foods with us. We hope the insights shared today help you make more informed, healthier choices that positively impact your daily life. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support truly helps us grow and enables us to continue creating content focused on inspiring healthier living for everyone. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave any comments or questions below. Let's continue this wellness journey together, making it both fun and rewarding for us all.